Hi, aspiring VAs. This is Coach A, and I've seen some of you guys have created your portfolio in a website type of way. I just wanted to let you guys know that you have to also make sure that the mobile view is also accessible. So hindi siya parang misplace yung mga elements ng website mo or the way that your website would look like or portfolio. So yung gagawin mo is, for example, click the you'll click the publish website, and then wait, let me just publish it. For example, this is my website. So you need to make sure that everything is looking great on the mobile view as well. So check your portfolio on your laptop if you have, and also check it on your mobile. Kasi may mga times na yung mobile nyo is hindi siya nagmamatch or hindi siya updated. So ang gagawin mo lang is click edit design and then preview, and then click here mobile. So you have to make sure na ganito siya or naiintindihan or it's looking good on the mobile. And if it's not, then just click this one. Uncheck this. So you'll see if I will click this resize on a mobile version, ito yung mangyayari. So, see, uneven siya, and then hindi maganda yung anong tawag dito, yung pagkaka-design. But if you unclick this one, resize on mobile, then automatically, kung ano yung mukha niya or ano yung look ng portfolio mo on a on a website version or on your laptop, then it would also have the same look on your mobile. So yeah, just do that and then click publish again, and that would be it. I hope this helps.